Okay.
Whoa, you watch your mouth, young man. Alright, so this is a test video. I'm testing the audio on my new Rode Video Micro 2. It's a small microphone that I mounted on top of my camera and connected it to the side of my Panasonic Lumix S5 II camera. And just in case I don't get any audio out of this, doesn't record any audio, I'm also recording with my Tascam portable DR-05X portable recorder thingy. So we'll find out if it's recorded or not. So yeah, back off. Okay, another video just in case the first video didn't get. This is a video with my Rode Video Micro 2 shotgun microphone. So we'll see how effective it is. And then I'm also recording with the backup Tascam DR-05X portable recorder. Backup audio.
Eat it.